be styling out too quickly. Man, in just the way you do it when you move so swiftly. I'm wishing at the end of June. See ahead if I'm fine when I leave me. What is the saying when you should let go?
If you guys want to just see how to get this blue sunset kind of thing, I guess, just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna hop right into this, and I'm sorry for my voice, I'm like super sick right now, but so I'm just going to start off with my Epiduo, which I use for my acne, and then I'm going to put on my primer, which is Stay Matte by Rimmel. So before I put on my foundation, I love to use a powder to set my primer. So after that, I'm going in with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless.
Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck. Yes, I'm charming.
And I'm just gonna be blending that out with my sponge.
All the pretty girls in the world, I'm in the space with you.
So directly after that, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows because I like to conceal everything at the same time. So I'm gonna be using this eyebrow gel I got in my Ipsy clam bag. After they're filled in and looking real busted, we're gonna go over it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. My LA Girl Pro Conceal in Natural.
Wait for me. All the pretty girls in the world.
Let's blend it out. I'm just gonna take the same concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin, just to highlight.
Heartache would stay with you, flagrant escapes with you. I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet a little.
I'm using my BH Studio Correcting Wheel.
I like my women like I like my money, green, a little jealous. Oh, I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny, yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet.
Now I'm going to be going back in with my Airspun powder, but this time on the booty of my Real Technique sponge.
All the pretty girls in the world, I'm in the space with you. Colored out the line, I came to find my fire was fate with you. Heartache would stay with you, flagrant escapes with you.
What I'm going to do is take my NYX matte bronzer in deep tan.
All the pretty girls in the world, I'm in the space with you.
And lastly for that, or not lastly, but we're going to be going in with a blush. And this is Feisty by Tarte, the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush.
Stay with you, flagrant escapes with you.
Lastly for the face, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Goddess of Love. So today I'm going to be going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking this yellow down here and popping that right into my crease.
This feeling is reckless, knowing you're selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love, like do it till last, hanging out the back all your lap. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care as long as you're here by 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. Give me what I want. My man is your man, her that's a man too. My man is your man, her that's a man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep satisfied through the weekend. You're like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make him lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. Gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying, what kind of deal is 2 days? I need me about 4 of them, more of them, more of me on you, on us. Give me what I want. Monday I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing on weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them doors. Give me what.
I'm just gonna pop some orange on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this light blue shade from my My Little Pony times Colourpop palette.
Friday, I just keep satisfied through the weekend.
And then I'm gonna be lining my eyes with my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner.
This is mine every weekend. You take.
So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm gonna be taking my J Lash lashes. I got these off of Hush, and I like rarely use lashes on my day-to-day, so these are like the only ones I have right now. The finished eye look, and I'm gonna zoom out and do something with my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna be taking 2 lip products. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie, or NYX just Lingerie, in, does this have a color? In Beauty Mark. And I'm going to be taking this So Susan liquid matte lipstick in a Raisin Flesh, and I'm going to be creating an ombre on my lips.
We want, it don't matter. We do whatever I want, go wherever I want, get whatever I need. 'Cause it's about love, love, love.
So that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned because I will be posting a Valentine's Day look next week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys for watching.
360-degree reality, sunset beat.